Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. How is it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Laravel 8 on Windows operating system. Sorry, my English not good. I hope everyone understand what I mean. I'm using Windows 10, so if you have Windows 7 or 8 and 10, follow my video instruction. I introduction you. What's Laravel? Laravel is a free open source PHP web framework and instant for the development for web application following the model view controller or MVC architecture pattern and based on Symfony. You may have SAM installed on your Windows. So go to web browser, type SAM, download. To download for your operating system like Windows, Linux or OS X. So choose Windows. Go to Laravel website. Laravel, hit enter. Documentation, installation. So we scroll down. Installation và commercial. We install SAM. You can use SAM or WAM server. In this video, I use SAM. Click next, 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 next. So we click finish. After we install SAM server, we go to download Composer. You must install Composer on your Windows. If you don't have, you go to download Composer, type Composer, click download. Okay, finish. Click to install Composer. Next, browse your PHP version on your SAM server, SAM, PHP folder, and php.exe file. Click next. Next, install. Okay, next, finish. Go to PHP, and after that we go to some server folder, C, some folder, AT and this directory. We click File, open Windows PowerShell, and we use this command to create a Laravel project. Copy this command and paste it here. Change your Laravel project name. I choose Laravel app. Hit enter to install Laravel framework. This is your project name. Okay, enter. Now we create Laravel project, Laravel app on some server. We might have internet connection to create a Laravel project. My project finished. To install lesson name Laravel app. Hit enter. Okay, now we in Laravel app folder to install. To run Laravel, we type the command php artisan shell. I copy this command and paste here, enter. Okay, we can run Laravel this localhost. Okay, IP rồi import chọn zone muối 800. Enter. Welcome to Laravel Edge. This is the home page of Laravel projects by default. So we open code Visual Studio Code, click File, open folder, and open Laravel project, Laravel app. Select folder. Okay. So now we see Laravel structure. We have app, bootstrap, config, database, public, result, route, storage, test, window. Click sort folder and view. This is the view of the welcome page and route folder web.php display the route of the welcome page. of Laravel. Guys, after watch complete video tutorial, I hope you are able to do that. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notification, leave a mistake, and like share the video to the other social media. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial.